we go. Why are we not alive? Hello. Just waiting for people to join. Just to make sure it's working. I know, I'll just message them on Facebook. Right, I'll just have a quick game. Play on stream while I'm waiting. Do one of these challenges. Which one should I do? The Galga challenge. See me anyway, Mike. Thanks for joining. And Darren. Seems to be working good. That's all that matters. At least we're ready for tomorrow. Now whether I'll be able to play a game, concentrate on playing the game, because I only get one life with this challenge, and whether I can still be talking whilst doing so. I'm not doing too bad so far. Oh shit, what's that one? Ooh, shouldn't have said that. Can't remember whether I put it in suitable for kids or not. Oops. There we go. Fourth position, not too bad. Still need to beat Carl and Thunderstruck and Andre. That is a good score though. Might not get that one. The 71,660 with one life. Sorry, just checking email messages. Let me just check what happens when I close that down, close that stream down. That should go blank in the background. I don't know what will end up being shown. Yeah, it's black. And put the other apple in the background. All professional stuff, yes, sorry guys. Right, I should, in theory, be able to just launch C-Spec and it'll pick it up and put it full screen. Should be able to. And just open project. I'll do one new role now. There we go. And that's the one I've just built with the source. Next. And this is running on the net, well, in C-Spec for the next. Make it start in 7 MHz mode, as you can see. A bit faster than the original. Right, and I close that off, and let me just open up Motion. Yes, will it do it? Yes. Right. Yeah, I've got a couple of things ready. We'll do some graphics with it tomorrow and show you like useful numbers and how hex works as well. So that hopefully has all come through. And then we can get on with it tomorrow. Right, let's see if there's any more messages. Voice is a little low, right, okay. Is that any better? Yeah. C-Spec is ace. It has really improved development times for the next. Hey Charles. I don't know if you missed it. Hey Mike. And yeah, thank you Mike. Like, I can't thank you enough for C-Spec because I know I pestered you a lot at the beginning, but it's really paid off. Like, C-Spec is so useful to I'd say pretty much every developer, because if it wasn't for C-Spec, the games that were coming out would be a lot slower getting out, because C-Spec is so good, really. It's been so useful for doing all our games. All the games we've worked on anyway. I know a lot of other people use it as well, so thanks. A bit clicky. I shall look into getting a better mic. These headphones ones aren't that good, I suppose. I do have another mic. I shall dig it out later after this and see how it goes. They're a little clicky. Okie doke. I don't have it close by. Oh, what I do have, which arrived yesterday, which some of you guys probably want to see. Let me just see if I can get this. Let me just pop my screen on full view. The camera on full view so you can see better. The camera's a bit through. I've probably not got a good focal length from it. There we go. And the SD card is, let's see if I can get that in focus. Come on, focus, you bugger. But anyway, it looks really, it is tiny. It's a micro SD card, but yeah, it looks ace. Let me just shrink me back down. Now, I didn't see on YouTube, yeah, that shrunk. So that's good. Always physical media for the win. It's great, isn't it? These cards look ace though. Really made up with how they've come out. Bit of to and fro with the company, but we got there in the end. I wonder who designed that. Smug. Some good artist. Some patient artist, actually. Having to do it a couple of times. Cheers, Analog. Yeah, I might have to make these videos 18, I think, which is a shame, because it'd be nice to teach the next generation. I just need to be able to, I need to not play games so I don't say any B words or anything. Well, anyway guys, thank you for joining again. It was just a quick test just to make sure it works okay. So it is just the voice that's a bit crackly with the mic. I shall fix that tomorrow. It might make it better because we won't have headphones on then as well. So I'll get that ready for tomorrow and we should be all ready to go. If anyone wants to join in with either using their Next or C-Spect or a mixture of C-Spect and HDF Monkey or the HDF GUI, that by Dave Saphir is really good. It's just one download. I put the download in the link on the Facebook Next group. You can grab that and download it ready for tomorrow, install it if you haven't already, and then we should be good to go. Look forward to it. Oh, it sounds good. Okay, cool. So it's not all clicky anymore. Hey, Lactobbilius Prime. So it's all okay, is it, Phoebus? Sound wise? Sound okay now? Maybe because I put it closer to my mouth and talking a bit louder. I'm very quiet spoken. Usually anyway. I'll have to remember to talk up a bit. Excellent, that's what I want to hear. just a little bit low. Yeah, I've put me in the corner because I want the display to show. Like when we're doing stuff tomorrow. A lot of you probably know what all them numbers are already. I hope some of you do. But we can go through that a lot tomorrow. Well, thoroughly tomorrow. Just a bit low as in quiet, or low as in I'm low down here and being at the bottom of the screen? Video looks good, audio looks good, though no serious, it's quiet. Right, okay. I shall try to speak louder. Would that help? Is that better? Low as in quiet, okay, yeah. Right, I shall try and talk louder tomorrow. I'll make sure I have a glass of water ready for when my voice dries up and sorry, was that loud? That cough, sorry. Hey Jason, thanks for the feedback. Good, glad it sounds good, James. Address spaces, yes. Can you see my mouse? I don't know. Can you see the mouse? Let me just check on the software if it's recording the mouse on that screen. No, it's not recording the mouse. Let's see if I can set it up to show the mouse. Yeah, it's got capture cursor on. Maybe, there we go. Yep, 16384 or 4000 hex is the top left corner of the screen, and these are every character line, the top pixel of every character line, and then it jumps from 16608, which is the 8th character down, to the next third of the screen. So you'll see that you see that these ones here from 4000 to 40EO is the top third, and then 4800 to 4800 and EO is the middle third, and 5000 to 50EO is the bottom third. And the 58 to 58EO is the top third for the attributes. 5900 to 59EO is the middle third for attributes, and 5A to 5AEO is the bottom third. And then this one is every pixel line down from here down to the pixel line before this line here. I don't know if you can see that. The 4000 to 4107 is. Oh, you can't see. I can't see the mouse. Can you guys see the mouse? No, I can't see your screen. I need another monitor. Right. Yep. Yes, we'll cover the layer 1 and Timex, but not in this first one. It'll be a long. There'll be hopefully a long series of videos, and initially I'll be just doing the ULA for now. While we get I just want to do some basics, and the ULA is best for doing bits because it's a bitmap. Evening, James. And Maxstar. Hi, Paul. Hey, John Paul. Who else have we got? Right. So yeah. Let's say we'll go through and we'll do some poke into the screen, and we'll even design some characters and on that character, some little 8x8 characters. Oh yeah, you can't see the mouse. I keep remembering that the screen on the video is like a couple of seconds behind. So like when I'm putting the mouse somewhere and then I look on the screen to see if the mouse is there, it's not there, it's because it's somewhere else. So that'll be a bit of confusion for me tomorrow, but yeah, we'll get through it. Thank you, John Paul. Yeah, we finally got there with the first release, and hopefully soon with the second one. Hopefully you won't have to wait a year. But everything depends, so we're not saying when it'll be coming out because it's all down to lead times and any issues and how long it's going to take to test the new board, the 2C. Okay, good night, Lactobacillus Prime. Lactobacillus Prime, sorry. Right, anyway, that's it for my first live stream. Well, since 2016 anyway. We shall leave it here. It all works. The audio works, the visuals work. I can change screens and the screens pop up how I wanted them, so that's good. And the mouse pointer comes up, so that's good as well. Just wait for this lag to show the cursor on the screen. Hey, it's finally on the screen. Right, so it's probably 10 seconds behind. But I'll have to remember that when I'm doing the streaming. Right, anyway, again, thanks for coming in and checking it, making sure it's all working, ready for tomorrow. Should be interesting, can't wait. Have a good night.